and sun. Look and see, circles are fun for you and me. Triangle, triangle, three sides tall. Pizza tent and a roof so small. 1, 2, 3, count with me. Triangles are fun, yippee. Square, square, four sides the same. A window, a box, and a picture frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, so neat. Squares are everywhere on the street. Shapes are here, shapes are there. Shapes are found everywhere. Look around, what can you see? Shapes are fun for you and me.